Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Vscode open and your GitHub account active. Now start by opening the extensions view. You do this with Control plus Shift plus X on Windows/Linux or Shift Command X on Mac OS, which shows installed and available extensions. Once visible, type GitHub Copilot in the search box and find the official extension. You're starting immediate action so you can remove it or change settings. This first step ensures you're targeting the correct extension rather than a similar plugin. Now that the extension details are open, you have two clear paths: disable temporarily or uninstall permanently. Click Disable to stop Copilot without losing settings, or uninstall to remove it entirely. If you prefer to keep the extension but stop suggestions, open the account menu within the extension and sign out of GitHub. This prevents authentication and stops completions. After you make a choice, accept any prompt to reload window, so changes take effect right away, and make sure extension processes are terminated. Finish by verifying removal. Open a code file and type to confirm Copilot suggestions are absent. If you still see suggestions, go to Settings with Control+ and search for Copilot toggles to ensure they are off. Some features persist until you flip those switches. Make sure to restart Vscode after changes, and if authentication persists, clear GitHub credentials from your system keychain or credential manager. If problems continue, reload the window and repeat uninstall or sign out steps to fully stop Copilot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.